Boom! Spontaneous room tour. I just found out I don't have time to actually make videos at the moment, but we're doing a room tour apparently. Right, let's start out from the door. I have a couple of posters. We got one from Tatsumaki and the one from Attack on Titan. I got my wardrobe. That's not very interesting, but look, I got this freaking, what's the word? Haruhi Suzumiya's poster as well. Just, you can't even see that. The camera's a little bit shit with the lighting at the moment, but who cares? Mr. Strong, Lamau. Anyways. Should I even start with this? Yeah, why not? It'll be the bulk of my tour. As you can see, this whole place is filled with weeb stuff. The finest quality of weeb stuff. You know, we got mini posters. We got some decent sized posters of Miku. And we got just some random scrolls on the wall. I'm especially proud of this one here because that was like the best character I could make, and that was like pretty cool. Got more Miku stuff. I kind of like Miku, kinda, you know. That one's like, I got that from a convention. Same with those up there. Got those from a convention from the same artist actually, and I got that from online. Because I actually like index as well. Magical index. And down on my table we have the art supplies. Because I do some drawings actually. I don't know if you'd notice. And dabbing figures. Because what more could you want except dabbing figures? The best stuff, you're right. And also some more of my art stuff. This is my workstation here. It's a bit messy, but it works. Down on the ground we have this pile here of a unfinished Gundam. Yeah, it's Freedom 2.0. But I don't know when I'll actually finish that. Maybe someday. Maybe next week. Who knows? This here is just a bunch more of supplies. Got my markers here. I got my paint stuff here. I can't find focus. I got more paint here. I've got just random stuff, really. My art books. No, well, spare art books. Ones that are actually empty. Got more freaking plastic model kit stuff. A lot of them are just spare parts that I use for custom building. This one in particular actually has the parts from a Gundam that I ripped apart. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Good old Gundam. I can't put that back. Out there in the back, you can't see because lighting is shit. I know what I could do. Hang on. I have a torch here somewhere. Had a torch. It's not here anymore. Oh well. So beside my table is this mini drawer that has my underwear and stuff. I won't be showing that, but my laptop. And behind here is a piece of turd that I've been cultivating. Just a piece of rock right there. Don't worry about him. He'll be okay. Hopefully he'll be dry up by the time I need to use him. This belonged to a person who was here before. I got too lazy, so I never threw it away. They seemed as messy as I was. And some figure boxes down there. Just kinda, can't see it because it's dark. Oh my god, I shouldn't be filming at night. It's a stupid idea. Got some big ass boxes with some not so big figures. Ami likes to send stuff with big, small figures, but big boxes. And we got a bed there, the bunk bed actually. The bottom one's not being used because no one's there. I got my bed up there. And let's actually get up here. Just a single bed. I like being on top. Got my frigging posters that I commissioned from folks. You know, sending the link down there for some promotion for a couple of people. And we got my mostly prize figures, actually, mostly. There's that exceptions, you know. Got a couple of Gundams that I built. Some painted, some just left out because I'm can't be bothered. And I can't name them all. Maybe I'll make a video where I actually show off all the whole lot of them. Maybe. Miley. Got a sword there, because I'm a weeb. In fact, I got another sword here, because I'm a freaking weeb. Look at me. Fucking. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, let's put that back. I can't see things. I got a Nerf gun here, because why not? And finally, we have this here. Ooh. Still can't see it because of the light shit. I got freaking figures. More figures that I can't display. But they're somewhat displayed now. They used to be under the bed where you can't see anything, but now you could open the drawer and be surprised. Nicely surprised. Ooh, I got stuff. Maybe I'll do a little mass unboxing actually. That'd be great. Actually, I have a couple of ideas about that. And yeah, that's about it about this room. Not much else except me and my weeb stuff. Yeah, weeb stuff. Oh. Hope you liked it.